Everyone, I'm Rachel from the Innisfil mediaLAB and Library, and in this Tinkershop tutorial, we're going to learn how to do sound recording using GarageBand. Okay, let's get started. GarageBand is a free program that is available on Macs, iPhones, and iPads. You can use any one of those devices to record your sounds. Let's begin by starting a new project. Click on your GarageBand icon, and a new window will appear. Click on Empty Project, and click. A window will appear and it'll be asking you what device will you be using. You can use a microphone, a guitar, drums, and a piano. We're going to be using a microphone today, and we're going to be using input 1. If you wanted to add another instrument, you could click on the guitar and put input 2. Go ahead and hit create, and you'll see a new window here. This first box is your first audio box. This is input 1, your microphone. You can see a little bar here that's actually capturing my voice. I always do a test to make sure that the program can hear me. I usually snap my fingers. Okay, and you can see their sound. Up at the top, you can see that there is a rewind button, fast forward, stop, play, record, and you can also do a cycle. Over here is the metronome and a countdown. I'm going to deselect the metronome. In this window, it'll show you your bars, beats, and tempo. If you wanted to add another instrument, go to the plus menu and you can select guitar, make sure to choose the correct input, and hit create. You'll now have two different sounds. Now remember, if you want to record, you want to go and click back on your microphone one. You can even title them. If you want to go ahead and record, you can hit the record button. It will start counting down. And as I start speaking, we should start seeing my sound waves on the cell. So as we're recording, my voice is being captured right here in these sound waves. When I hit stop, you can go back and you can listen to your sound waves. So as we're recording, my voice is being captured right here in these sound waves. You also have the option to either increase the sound or lower the sound of your microphone, also your instrument. If I wanted to start recording my instrument, I will click on the guitar input, go back to the beginning, and I'll start hitting record. So as we're recording, my voice is being captured right here in these sound waves. This is letting us know that it is being captured in the program. So you could probably also hear that that was also my voice on top of that. That's a way where you could start overlaying different sounds. But say I didn't want to hear this one. Let's just mute it. We'll go back to the beginning and we can hit play. So as we're recording, my voice is being captured right here in these sounds. GarageBand also comes with a bunch of pre-recorded sound bites. If we go over to our right-hand corner and click on this loop, it will open up an entire library of all these sounds that are available through GarageBand. You can download a bunch of them. You can hit continue. You can also choose by instrument or genre or descriptor. Let's start making some fun beats. You can click on the sound and get a preview of what it sounds like. I'm going to click and drag, and we're going to put the sound right up in my vocals. Over here you can see some tabs. You can either continue the loop or you can elongate it by clicking and dragging on your mouse and the cell. Let's add another sound. Oh, so right now it's giving us a warning letting us know it's not a drummer track, so we can't use it in this area. So what does that mean? We actually have to go and add some drums. You can click on the plus button, click on drum, click create. You can now click and drag your item into that cell. Down here gives you an option on how to edit different parts of the drum set. Okay, let's elongate these drums and let's add 2 more sounds. Let's add some piano. The best part is you can actually copy and add certain pieces throughout the track. Click and drag and you can move them all over. And this way you're able to time different areas of the song. And this way you're able to time different areas of your track. Okay, let's add 1 more sound. We'll add some guitar and hit. Okay, so we've added a few beats. We now have 4 different sounds in here. Let's see how this is going to sound. Okay, so we've now learned how to create different sounds and using different layers and different instruments to create these different tracks. Now say you've completed your song or your track and you want to share this. You go up to the share menu and you can either export it to iTunes, a media browser, SoundCloud, but today we're going to export song to disk. Title it, select where you want to save your track, and click MP3. This is a standard audio file. Click Export, and your sound will be converted to an MP3 format. After it's converted, you can then go to where you have saved your file, click on your sound wave, and it should automatically open up into a playing device, and you can listen to it. Click play and you'll now be able to listen to your track. Now keep in mind, this is just the basics for GarageBand. You have a whole bunch more options where you can control the sounding. You can also choose the different sound effects. You can record your voice, record your own instruments, and do many different tracks. I'm Rachel from the Innisfil Idea Lab and Library, and thanks for joining us. Take care.